Okay, now I want to run another ad. Let's just practice. I previously want to use some of the ad I ran and redo another one, but I want to run a new one. Okay, now what is my objective for running this ad? What do I want to do? Okay, my objective for running this ad is that I want people to send me message on WhatsApp. So I'm going to use messages. Where is the picture I want to use? Let me see this one. Okay, this is the same ad that brought you. So we are going to use this particular ad. So I click on next. So what do I want? What's my message destination? I want them to send message on WhatsApp from. Okay, this is my WhatsApp line because it's already connected. What of Instagram do I want? If I want, I click, but it's not going. Sorry, I have to use only one. There's only one I'll set. Okay, so what's my headline? I have to type my headline. My headline is 3 in 1 digital pack. 3 in 1 digital pack. Content marketing. Content creation. Facebook marketing and WhatsApp monetization. And WhatsApp monetization will complete. Okay, yeah. So what's my primary text? One I've already copied, so I have to copy it here. I have to paste it here. Okay. Okay. So no, we are not doing any special ad and category. Yes, it's not. We have nothing. It has nothing to do with credit, employment, housing, social issue, election, or politics. It has nothing to do with. So, am I connecting to my Instagram? No, I'm not. So, what do I do next? You see how it appeared here. So, the photo is fit. This is how it's going to be showing once this is how it's going to be showing once it's this is how it's going to be showing. Seeing it. Okay, so now the next one, that's audience. What kind of audience do I want? Should I create a new audience or use the updated audience here? So these are some of the audience I created. So let me see if we did this particular one or create. I'm still thinking on what to do, whether I should use, instead of creating a new one, I just have to use the one I created and I did. Okay, let me see whether I'll create a new audience. So this is Nigeria. Age I'm looking for should be 20 years to 30 years. That's what I want. 20 to 30 years. So location I'm looking for is Nigeria. I'm looking for Nigeria. Sorry, I'm looking for Nigeria. It's included. Is there any location I want to exclude? No. So what people of interest am I looking for? What people of interest I'm looking for? So I have to people, what are they looking for? I have to add this one. Let me put content. Facebook marketing. Facebook marketing. Facebook. Is there any other thing? Influencers on Facebook. People, what people are searching for. Let me add content. Any word that look like that. Content manager. Content manager. Okay. Web developer, content writer, content marketing. Let me just add all of them, child. So WhatsApp monetization. Let me see what they have for WhatsApp. Just only WhatsApp they have. Is there another thing I want to add? Let me add digital. Football. Let me try football. Some people who are interested in football don't even know whether. But I just have to try. So after that, where do I intend adding? Let me add beauty. People will search for beauty. Beauty pageant. I've started again. Beauty pageant. Beauty shop. Beauty itself. Beauty salon. So entertainment. You can add your own. It's not a must you have to add what I added. You have to add your own. I want to add gossip, entertainment. Let me see what I'll say. Gossip. People will search for gossip. Celebrity gossip. Gossip girl. Desperate housewife. Let me just add all kind of gossip. Entertainment. Let me try entertain music. So whatever you felt like people are searching for, you add it. Entertainment, news. So I think I'm done. I just have to go with this. I created a new audience. So reach people beyond your target. Fine. Allowing Facebook to reach people beyond my target. Language, just use English. Just English. So whichever English I'm using, fine. These are people I want. Advanced option, okay. So what next? I save. So the name of my audience is updated audience. So that's the name of the audience, updated audience. Okay. The name of my audience is updated audience. So that's what I'll be using. I'll be using updated audience. So I click on the next. The next is price. I want to run this for 3 days. I don't know. Let me see whether it can accept the 3 days. You will spend no more than per week, no more than $21 per week. No, I don't want to spend up to that. When you get charged impression conversion, I'm not going for, okay, get the most for your budget Saturday. Okay, this is, I run the ad for 3 days, so that's why I added that $3. So that it should be $1. So the $1 for, yeah, for that 3 days. If you look below here, you see the $3. So $1 each day. So this is how I want to run my own ad. Okay, I have to review. I want to review, and so this is it. If you are seeing it, this is how it's going to appear. This is how it's going to appear. Your order has been received. So this is it. I've placed my order. So it's left for Facebook to review the order. So this is where I am stopping.